Planning a Disney trip with kids? It's exciting, magical, and let's be honest, a little chaotic. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm hunting down the must-have essentials on Amazon to make your Disney trip stress-free and smooth. The right gear can be a game changer when you're navigating the parks with little ones. Long days, unpredictable weather, and the constant need to keep track of everything and everyone can be a challenge. But with a few smart buys, you can stay organized, keep the kids comfortable, and make sure the magic doesn't get interrupted by unnecessary stress. Top Amazon essentials for parents at Disney. Power bank. Phones are your lifeline in the parks. Between snapping photos, mobile ordering, and checking ride times, battery life drains fast. A high-capacity power bank ensures you're never caught with a dead phone when you need it most. AirTag waterproof wristband for kids. Disney is magical, but it's also busy. If you're worried about little ones wandering off, an AirTag wristband helps give peace of mind. Paired with your phone, it's a great way to keep track of your child while letting them explore safely. Collapsible water bottle. Staying hydrated is key, especially in the Florida heat. A collapsible water bottle is lightweight and easy to refill throughout the day without taking up too much space in your bag. Cooling towel. Let's face it, Disney days can be hot. A cooling towel is a lifesaver when you need to cool down fast. Just wet it, wring it out, and drape it around your neck for instant relief from the heat. Waterproof wet bags. Accidents, water rides, spills. These are inevitable when traveling with kids. Waterproof wet bags are perfect for storing wet clothes, swimsuits, or even keeping snacks and electronics safe from unexpected splashes. Why these items? Less stress for parents. No more scrambling for a charger, worrying about losing track of kids, or dealing with overheated little ones. More comfort for kids. Stay cool, hydrated, and prepared for anything. Easy packing. Everything is lightweight and portable, so you don't have to overpack. With these Disney essentials, you'll be ready for a fun, stress-free trip where you can focus on making magical memories with your family. What are your must-have Disney trip items when traveling with kids?